Hi Coronado, I'm Blair King, Coronado City Manager, and this is a special edition of the Weekly Update broadcast on March the 17th, 2020. On February 14th, San Diego County declared a local health emergency and proclaimed a local emergency to deal with the novel coronavirus labeled a pandemic by the World Health Organization. On March 4th, California Governor Gavin Newsom proclaimed a state of emergency in California. By order of the public health official of San Diego County, effective March 16th until March 31st, all public and private gatherings of 50 people or more are prohibited, and all bars that do not serve food and all dine-in restaurants must close. Following their lead and to help control the spread of COVID-19, the City of Coronado has closed the John D. Spreckles Center, Bowling Green, the library, the community center including the pool, gymnasium, and the club room, and created a coronavirus information webpage. The city is taking these unprecedented precautionary measures to restrict people from congregating and unknowingly passing the virus. This will help public health and both the residents and city employees. City Hall will remain open, but the city encourages the community consultants and partners to conduct business remotely. Those who require help from building or planning officials are being asked to make appointments by emailing the address or calling us at the number on your screen. To ensure the health and safety of residents and to provide them with information and a sense of continuity and connection, the city set up a call center for residents. City staff will take calls to provide information and referrals. If residents are concerned about a neighbor or family member, need a welfare check, have concerns about food, resources, or any other questions, please call us at 619-522-6380. This call center will be open 7 days a week from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Our local restaurants may serve food by delivery, pickup, or drive-through. We really encourage residents to use restaurants' delivery services such as DoorDash, Grubhub, Uber Eats, and other local food delivery businesses to help out our local restaurants. Check the Coronado Chamber of Commerce website for a list of restaurants who are remaining open for food pickup or delivery. Several city facilities will remain open for the community use, but will have limited or no staffing. Tennis courts will be open. The golf course will be open. The boathouse and skate park, the beaches and parks all will remain open. The city's animal care facility is open with limited staffing to take care of the animals that are there. The city is also working with PAWS to explore ways to take care of animals of people who can no longer care for them, presumably because they're sick. The library is working on new services to allow the community to continue to use its services, including a curbside pickup of reading materials, a telephone and online reference service, and broadcasting story time from YouTube. Patrons may also access ebooks, audiobooks, and movies via Overdrive and Canopy on the city's webpage. Although the city recently reviewed our mid-year budget, staff anticipates proposing further revisions due to the downturn of Coronado businesses that are being financially impacted at this time. The city will also be working with the Coronado Unified School District to identify ways to supervise or otherwise engage students during the school closure period. The public restrooms in Coronado will remain open with increased sanitation. Solid waste collection will continue into the near future. The city recently amended its standard janitorial contract services at facilities to include 2 additional daily cleanings with wiping or spraying a disinfectant on nearly all the surfaces. The city also increased its available supplies of disinfectant and hand sanitizers. The cleaning measures will continue at facilities that remain open to the employees and the community. Following the guidance of regional, state, and federal agencies, the city has canceled or postponed gatherings where 6-foot social distance is impossible to achieve. They are listed online on the city's coronavirus information page. Any public meetings held will comply with the Brown Act and measures that practice a social distancing of 6 feet. The meetings of all the volunteer bodies, boards, and commissions in Coronado will be canceled for the next several weeks. The city's coronavirus information webpage will be updated as needed to inform the community when events and meetings are canceled. The page can be found on the city's website and includes important links to health agencies that have information on how to keep safe, symptoms, and treatments. A link to the page is on the homepage of the city's website at www.coronado.ca.us. People are advised to get their flu vaccine and practice proven and routine preventative actions to help prevent the spread of respiratory viruses, including washing your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 6% alcohol. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. If you are sick, stay at home. Cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue, then throw the tissue in the trash. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. We are providing video updates as needed using Coronado TV, the city's website, and by social media. The health and well-being of our community is our greatest concern. Thank you for watching.